So we are in the Hilton Hotel in Arundel at the moment. Charlie. Hello. So we're just about to go for a walk now. Basically, we came here last night really late. Matt's mum took the boys earlier. We had to work all day at work. Hi, Harry. And then we finished and got here about 9:30. Matt's mum put the boys to bed. So over here, say hi, Daddy.
Hiya.
So there's the cot there, and then Harry's bed there. We also have a double bed here, and then there's another bed over there, and there's lots of fizzy drinks and junk over there. I'll quickly show you the bathroom, but yeah, we're literally having a really nice time. It's Matt's mum and dad's birthday, so we've come here for a couple of days. If you guys haven't seen, I was actually on telly in the ITV. So this is the bathroom, toilet. Boys, you left the toilet seat up. I'm gonna fall in. Sink. Big window, so it's really nice. It's a huge room. And it can sleep like 1, 2, 3, 4, like potentially 5 people. So no, it's really good. So we're just gonna go for a walk now. Then we're gonna have a really posh dinner. Charlie ate some Jaffa cakes earlier and then accidentally smeared his hands all over the sheet, so it looks like we've pooed the bed. Oh, good boys. No, the hug is too hard now. He's had enough. What's that? Oh, it's like a golf thing. Charlie's already fallen over and got a muddy knee, so I'm going to have to wash his jeans in the bath tonight. Whoa! Oh, that didn't work out so well. Oh no, we've got a sandy and a muddy knee. Uh-oh. Come on, boys! It is absolutely stunning here. It's so beautiful. I'll try and turn around without you losing the light too much. But it's so stunning. But yeah, so I've washed my hair for tonight. It's really fluffy, and I've forgotten to bring my special oil that I put in it, so the ends are going to be so dry. I've literally got like less than 2 weeks now until my surgery, so I'm so excited. One thing I thought I forgot was my pyjamas, so I wore Matt's t-shirt and just some knickers to bed, and then I found my nightie the next day. Hi.
Hi.
You look so tired. We always look so tired.
We are.
We had a long journey yesterday, so we had a 12-hour shift. Well, I did. You just did regular shifts at work. And then he picked me up from work, and then we went to Burger King and McDonald's just to grab a few bits to eat. But like, junk food just makes you feel really rubbish, doesn't it? It's just like, my stomach has just been so bloated today. But we went for a swim, which was really sweet, and they let us borrow some goggles for the kids, and oh my gosh, I put some goggles on Charlie for like the first time. He's never had goggles on before. And like, it was like making one of his eyes go like this, and I was creasing up. It was so funny. No, use a tissue. Use a tissue. I caught it. No, the crayons don't work, darling. Okay, that's dangerous now, we need to stop. So we are all ready to go. I'm wearing my dress with my black shoes. Everyone's looking very smart. Daddy's looking very... Daddy! No, he's alright. So it is the next day. The boys have just gone down for breakfast. I'm just about to join them. The room is a mess, and we're going to have to tidy it up because we're going now. Literally after breakfast. I think they normally check out about 11, but I've got my uniform over there because I've ironed it and it's ready for work. I've got to go to work this afternoon, so yeah, it's all go today. But we're just going to go down for breakfast now, and I'll see you then. Charlie, what have you got? There's sausages and beans. Oh, where's your juice? All gone. Mummy's breakfast. Harry breakfast. Oh my goodness, I'm so exhausted after that hotel. So basically, we came home and I put my work stuff on and then had to go to work. And then came home absolutely exhausted, and I'm just now having to empty all of the suitcases out and then go back to work this afternoon. Honestly, it's just going to be so busy. So I have good news for you, and obviously for me, my boob job is in 10 days. Can you believe it, guys? 10 days. When you've been waiting for something for so many years and then suddenly it happens, it's just like, it's just not real. Until I'm actually going to be like on the table, I don't think it's going to feel real. Although I've told you guys before what normally happens. I'm really, really anxious and really nervous and a little bit excited, like leading up to the operation. And then as soon as I have my operation day, I go into like this routine of like, right, so we need to drop the boys off, we need to get the bags in the car, we need to do this, then we need to leave at this time. I need to remember to stop eating at this time. I need to drink water up until 2 hours before. So I kind of get, I'm sort of more relaxed that day, so to speak, until they're literally like, Corrine, we're ready for you, and it's like, oh my god, I'm not ready. My face literally looks such a mess. But yesterday I was so naughty. I couldn't be bothered to pluck under my eyebrows, so I just used like some hair removal cream, and it's come out really, really nicely. I've done my top lip as well, and that's come out good. I have a spot there from this like huge blackhead I had, which was so disgusting. But yeah, not too bad. So I really need to do my roots actually. I'll get Matt to do my roots before I go under for surgery. So basically I've got this afternoon I'm working, all day Sunday and half a shift on Monday, so that's what, 3 days, and then my surgery is on the next Friday, so it has just come around so quick. So I've got 3 days left at work. That is insane. That is like literally insane. I've already handed in my sick notice to work. They've signed me off for 14 days. I'm guessing if I need any extra time off, then the doctor will sign me off for an extra week. I don't really know how it works. I should be okay though, because occupational health are going to put me on light duties or something, so it'll all work out okay, hopefully. So give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to follow my journey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies!